Mastering Reading Comprehension, Summarizing Texts Using Text Structure. Hello learners, and welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to talk about a very important strategy for reading comprehension: summarizing texts using text structure. This will not only help you understand the texts you're reading better, but also enable you to summarize them efficiently. Before we dive into summarizing, let's take a moment to understand what we mean by text structure. Text structure is the way an author organizes information in the text. It can be chronological, arranged in the order of time, cause and effect, problem and solution, or descriptive, among others. Knowing the structure can help you predict what kind of information will follow, helping in your comprehension. Why is summarizing so important? Summarizing helps you focus on the key information and condense it into a short, clear format. It assists in retaining information, understanding the main idea, and connecting the dots within the text. A good summary reflects a good understanding. Now, how do we connect text structure with summarizing? When you identify the text structure, you can highlight the main points more easily, thus making your summary concise and effective. For instance, if a text is structured chronologically, you can summarize it by mentioning the key events in the order they occurred. If the structure is problem and solution, your summary might focus on the main problem, solution proposed, and the outcome. The best way to master this skill is through practice. Let's look at a few examples. Imagine a text is written in a compare and contrast structure, comparing apples and oranges. Your summary might be: the text compares apples and oranges, highlighting differences in taste, texture, and nutritional value, while emphasizing their common status as popular fruits. That wraps up our lesson on summarizing texts using text structure. Remember, being able to effectively summarize a text is a great indicator of your comprehension. It's a skill that requires practice, so keep at it, and you'll see your reading comprehension abilities soar. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.